So hey guys, welcome back in Bangla YT, and in this video we are going to learn how you can basically export our game for Android and how you can basically optimize or reduce the size of our APK or game. So first of all, what I do is it's basically very easy. You need to go to Win packaging and project settings. So then we need to go in Android SDK and set up your SDK, then go to Androids, and at here you can click on config. Then you can basically set up whatever you want to give a package name. So so I'm just giving a com.package.ig. It's simple. Then you need to set it to APK inside of packaging data game inside of APK. Then once you set up this thing, you don't need to click on force small files or anything. It will be not work. Okay, my opinion. Okay guys, so I'll be show you. So then you don't need to do anything at here change. Then just go to your Android SD, basically your edit, then edit preference. Then here you need to go basically let me show you at here, then experimental, then set here that allow the chunk IDs. So then you need to click on right, then action, only for your map action. Then you need to set it to assign a chunk ID, that is a 1. Okay, just set, then click on OK. Then your chunk ID has been generated. Now for reducing the packaging size, what you need to do, go to packaging and here just click on enable. At here use the use one chunk file for per pack. Then you need to enable this thing, then enable this cook only map affected in Kukal. Once you generate this thing, you need to set it to always, set it to develop into shipping mode, and then set it to this that include presentation installer, that unenable. Okay, you don't need that thing. So with that thing also, what you can do basically disable useless plugins. If you don't have any just think that as you can see, we don't need 2D and other stuff. So yeah, as you can see, there's a tons of stuff, but you don't need that plugin. So you can basically disable this thing. So let's see that what we don't need. So for our packaging, we don't need other chunks downloader we need. So at here as you can see, the cable components we don't need, these ones we don't need, media composing we don't need. So as you can see, there's a tons of stuff they give you, but we don't need. As you can see, the gate or the test, edit, virtual reality. Okay, so as you can see, the virtual production, as you can see that we don't need this thing. Oh, not this one. Okay, so just disable all this stuff because we don't need this stream VR, we don't need that component. So for that component, basically your game size become increase. Okay, so as you can see, we already disable lots of stuff. So also you need to make sure that your maps and modes is correctly set up in your maps and modes and labels. So now click on save, and now you need to basically restart your engine. Okay, so just click on restart and it will be the restarting. So also you need to make sure that your packaging is for Android, kind of like if I show you that the what type of platform it is, kind of like you can also set that Windows, okay, other stuff. But what you need to do basically, if you go to packagings at here, you need to set it to mobile console and set it to 3D scale, and also set the others platform is disable. Okay, because you don't need that platform. Okay, like that you can basically disable that platform, and then you can set it to restart the editor. Okay, so it will be basically reapply every stuff, so you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, it will be automatically compile the shaders and other stuff. So okay, everything is now done. Your game is now ready for export, and you find here now the list size. So now if I click on file and packaging Android, and make sure also don't export in multi-xtc or dxtc, because for that dxtc and other stuff, the compress method will be not work. Okay, some of dxtc or estc device. So my recommend is only export for estc2, so you'll be get a better packaging size. Okay, like very less packaging size and other stuff. So just package your game. So you need to just wait some time, and at here as you can see, the command line some fail because this project for PC, and I just use some codes, that's why some plugins I use for PC, that's why. However, you need to just export and it will be work. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching guys, love you all, bye bye, see you in next video.